Hey Cap, is it okay that my back pops like this when I do that?
Well, it's usually just normal joint popping. This can be caused by gas rapidly collapsing in the joint capsule when you do movements like that, or like when you're cracking your knuckles. If it's not painful, it's not persistent, and doesn't cause any instability or loss of range of motion or performance, then it's completely normal. If it causes any of those things, I'd like to get you an evaluation with a physical therapist.
Okay, it's like really painful, so I can like listen to it.